Alright guys, we're going to kind of keep working on this whole truck. So far, you know, we've got a lot done, but it's kind of the gift that keeps on giving here. In Indiana, if you run a snow plow, you're required to have some sort of light, you know, warning other drivers of what you are. You know, at work, ours are in the headlights of the trucks. We got strobes flashing the headlights and the tail lights. A lot of people use magnetic lights that you put on top of the truck. You plug into your cigarette lighter or power cord or whatever they call them these days. And that seems to work just fine. But not for this guy. He had one mounted to the roof of the truck. And my original plan was, I figured he had 4, maybe 5 small holes where things, you know, the wire and the screws went through and bolted down. And my original plan was I was going to duraglass them, dimple them in a little bit, duraglass them, seal the roof up. But again, that wasn't good enough for this guy. Well, instead of doing that, what we got, and you're going to like this, is 4 small holes and 2 giant holes. So it looks like I'm gonna try and clean this up and weld it, and hope to goodness I do not warp this roof, because this isn't what I want to do. I'm not looking forward to this, but here we go anyway. So I'll bring you back sometime here directly and let you see what's going on. See a red dot? Is that a good thing?
I would assume so for a GoPro.
Alright, Mo.
Which one do you want?
Pick one.
Okay.
I'll be good with it. Got the hammer on it?
Hold on.
Okay, I got it.
Ready?
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, shit. I forgot to turn my gas bottle back on, Mo. Can you reach out there and do that for me?
Which way does it turn?
There you go.
There it
Keep
goes.
turning. There you go.
Good?
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Good, push it up. You got it?
Got it.
Okay, there it is, guys, all filled in, ground down. Not looking too bad. Might take a little filler just to kind of even things up a little bit, but I think that concludes the fabrication on this truck. Is that a happy day or what?
Happy day right there.
All right, come here a minute, Mo.
Here.
Grab this if you will.
Okay.
Just kind of show where you put bolts in the roof, and that's what we welded. You can tell them all about it if you want. That's what we did.
That's what we did, yep.
So, yeah. Happy days.
Happy days.
We gotta start putting it back together, finish putting the front end back together, get the fender door, new door, set the bed back on it. We will have to finish out the cab corners. I kind of waited till the new doors are on so we can kind of line everything up and get body lines and stuff working out. But say it, Mo, we're out of here for today.
Get out of here!
Whee!